Everyone, welcome back to Juice Crypto Talks. My name's Xavier. Thank you for tuning in. Want to share with you this information. This not this information, but what's going on with the market. We're gonna actually just do a quick analysis on where I think BTC is going to be going for the week, and also where Ethereum is going to be going. So let's go ahead and start at BTC. First thing you want to do is you always want to look at charts more than 4 hours to 8 hours. This is going to give you a little bit more description on what's going on with the marketplace. Okay, so we can still see that we had from this date right here. So we're looking at January 18th. We can see the open price was 20,902. The high was 20,935. The low was 20,633. We could tell that we had a little bounce. And right now, right here, we see that it's a bearish dark cloud pattern, bearish engulfing. And bearish engulfing usually means that it's a little bit of a downtrend down. So we might see two other downtrend candlesticks that are going to form. So right now, I don't see us pushing towards that resistance line. So it looks like we are right here in this area. We could draw like a little rectangle because that would be some consolidation in this area. So this would be consolidation right here. So this is a little consolidation area. And then from this area, we are now pushing down. So in the next week or so, it's going to be very interesting. I think we're going to be pushing down to like right here, and then we're going to be pushing more towards sideways. But it's not looking like we're going to break that resistance one part. I don't see us breaking that. So what I would do is I would draw a line right here. So trend line, and I'm just going to draw a trend line right here to show that we didn't break this line right here. So play that line right there, and then I would draw another line right here, and we do have one for the pivot point also, but to factor. So in this area, this is where we're going to be watching to see how it plays out for the next week, to see if it's going to be trading in these areas. We can also check to see by just drawing really quick what potential. So it could potentially do this, and we could potentially see that it does something like this. So that could be potentially the next move of how this is going to play out. It's going to play down to the down. It's going to have another bounce. It's not going to break out of, of that little pattern or triangle. And then potentially we could see it be pushing down to the support lines. So that's kind of where I think this is where this is going to be going. I think it's going to be moved down more like in this kind of direction. But let's go ahead and we're going to go and check out Ethereum real quick. So we're going to see what's happening, what's popping off with Ethereum. So when you're also looking at the charts, for anyone that is looking to trade, play between the 4 and 8 hour charts primarily. That just gives you more of a kind of an outlook on how the markets are moving, and so you can kind of get more of a gist of what's happening without making bad decisions. Okay, so just put it like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna actually erase that real quick. So I'm gonna erase this because we have some consolidation in this area. So this area has consolidation. It consolidated for a little bit period of time, and after it consolidated, it broke down. So retesting right here, we're going to see if this fails to test, and it's going to push back down to about right here, and then potentially we could see it trade sideways, or it could continue to push down towards down to support which it looks like it's moving down to the downtrend. It's not looking like it's moving to the uptrend now. So potentially, I think it's going to be moving down to the downtrend. It's going to be moving down this way. And one of the biggest reasons why I think that is because of BTC. So BTC starts to pull back, everything else is going to start pulling back. So the next few weeks, I do believe that we will see a pullback. Some of the ranges that I'm thinking that it's going to pull back. It's going to pull for specifically Ethereum. Potentially, I think Ethereum has the potential to go back down to under 1,600 in the next 2 weeks, unless we see that the bulls are still, trying to push up. But I still believe we are still very bearish, and with this good, nice run that we had, I do believe that we will have a pullback from that run, and we'll retest these areas where the support 1 is, and the support 2, and the support 3 is. And also for BTC, I do believe that BTC, we haven't seen the full bottom yet, and potentially we will see more of a downtrend coming in the next 4 to 6 weeks. So please stay tuned, and thank you for watching this video. Remember, this is not financial advice. The sole purpose of the videos is just to give awareness and to share my ideas of where I think the market's moving. Again, this is not financial advice. I could be wrong. Remember, cryptocurrency is very volatile, and anything can happen. That's because right now I'm looking at technical analysis on how the market potentially is going to be moving. That can easily change very quickly with this news or rumors or something that's scaring the market. So anything can happen. But one of the biggest things we try to do is we try to minimize risk, and we try to maximize profits as much as possible. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.